Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video is brought to you by my phone. Because my iPad, when I turn my video camera on, it's doing some ticking. I don't know what the ticking is all about, but we're gonna continue on making this video for my phone. So, if it looks a little weird, that is why. And so, I thought it was my microphone, but I don't think it is. So I've been testing, like doing a test 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. Can you hear the ticking? And from my iPad you can, and then on my phone, which I'm using right now, you can't hear it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, there's no ticking. So fingers crossed. So today is a Disney pen opening once again. I'm trying to stock up on new traders for next month. So yeah, so today on February 12th I went to Dutch Bros, and then I found myself doing some pen trading at two malls. Well, one mall basically, and then a flower shop that's near a Dutch Bros. So the ones that I did trade for at the mall were these ones and the flower shop too. These are my other ones that I showed you guys last time. So these two were at the flower shop, and then these two were at the mall. So I think I got some good traders. Not all of them are for trade. Some are just for me. So other than that, let's jump right in. Alright, first I'm just gonna show you guys the open edition pins, which are not the blind boxes. So these are gonna be for trade at the event. So I got Robin Hood. I don't know who that is. Starts with an M. So I got her. And next I have a princess pin, and that is Pascal from Tangled, and that's going to be for trade because I'm trying to find pins that people are kind of after right now. So I think those are pretty good. And I have, how many boxes? I have 6 blind boxes to open. So some are going to be keepers, and then the rest will be for trade, and it also depends on what I get to. So they might be keepers, or they might be all for trade. So let's get these guys out of the bag. Alright, so I got the record Pixar pins. So I really want the Cars one, and then Toy Story or Finding Nemo. And at one of the pin stores, they did have the Nemo one. I thought about it. No, wait, that was at the flower shop. Yeah, that was the flower shop. So I got this one. And then next, I got the roller skates. Ooh, how fun. And you never see Pocahontas. So I got Pocahontas. I don't know if I will collect this whole series or not. Maybe I will. I don't know. And then I got Phineas and Ferb, so this is for trade, obviously. And next I got the Jungle Book, that will be for trade. And I got the Princess water bottles, so I'm excited to dive into these ones. And the skate ones, and then this one, and this one. So with these two, these are for trade, obviously. So I think I'm gonna start with the records. Alright, so we kind of established what I wanted. So I'm not gonna do the throw the boxes this time around, because I don't know why. Sometimes you just need a break. Alright, so we're gonna open this guy up. Hopefully it's cars. If it's not, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, who I saw earlier. That's so funny. Followed me home. How dare you? So we're gonna this will be for trade. Alright. So we're gonna put you in there. Alright. So let's do the ones that I'm trading for. Alright, we're gonna open the Jungle Book. Oh, well, you're hard to get open, aren't you? Okay, so you could get Baloo, Lil Jon, Queen, Eleanor as Bear, Coda, Humphrey, and a mystery character. I would say the mystery would be that kid. What's his name? I know his name. I just can't pronounce it. Alright, so let's see who this is. Oh, I think I know who this is. Baloo. And I was right. I'm always getting Baloo in like blind boxes. Seriously. And they have a different rubber back on it. I don't really like these ones that much, you know. It's just a little weird, you know. But okay. So we're gonna put you in the book. Alright. And next up is Phineas and Ferb. So this is a different series compared to the ones I opened last time. So you could get Phineas, Ferb, Candace, Isabella, Agent P, Perry, or Dr. the person. So I think I want to go for Candace today. Let's see if we can get Candace. Alright, let's get you open somehow. Alright. Maybe I need to get like a new iPad. I just don't have the funds to do it. So if I keep saving up, then I can get one. Alright. So let's see who this is. Okay. So let's see if I could identify. Oh, I think this is Candace or the doctor. Oh, it's the doctor. Okay. Well, I was right on one of them. So there's that. Alright, so we're gonna put him in our trader book. Right. Maybe I should put like all the Phineas and Ferb pins together. Maybe that would help. Alright, so now we're down to the princess pins. I think I'll do Pocahontas because you don't see her very often. Alright, let's get you open. Okay, you were easy to open this time around. Have fun. Alright, so let's see. It would be cool to get any of them. Oh! And I was gonna say, it would be cool to get the grandmother Willow and Bella. That is so funny. So, I think I will keep her. Because you don't see Grandma Willow that much. So, she's gonna be a keeper. So, we'll put you right there. Alright. So, put the pin box there. Now, because I don't have either of these. So, from this one, I think I want... Well, they didn't put Belle in there, so how sad for me. Probably... maybe Ariel. Yeah, let's do this one. I think I want Ariel. So, let's see who this is. And it comes in with a bead, so that's pretty cool, you know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's a green charm. Oh, I think this is Tiana. Yeah. Tiana will be for trade. So, and there's like the green bead, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna put her in there too. Alright, so at least I didn't get what I wanted. So I got more traders to trade next month. So yay. And for the skates, I want Jasmine, Mulan, either Jasmine or Mulan. Alright, so let's see who I get. Alright. Maybe I could tell from the skate. Maybe I can, maybe not. We'll see. Probably not. So here we have Cinderella, and Cindy will be for trade too. So I think I only got one keeper. Wow, that's pretty rare to get. So today I got how many traders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And then if I count the Goofy one, the Valentine one, or Chip and Dale, will be like 7 or 8 trades. So I think I did pretty good. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, you guys know what to do. So I will see you guys next time in my next video, and happy pin trading!